Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about DOGELON price prediction and DOGELON news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for DOGELON in 2022. DOGELON is a dog-themed meme coin on Ethereum and Polygon. It follows the example of other successful dog coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu. DOGELON plays on several popular themes in the meme coin space. Its name is a mixture of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the billionaire entrepreneur who is an outspoken supporter of Doge. It alludes to Mars, a spin on the famous moon meme, implying that DOGELON will experience a massive upward movement. Beyond its tongue-in-cheek name, DOGELON has managed to build a significant community, with more than 300,000 Twitter followers, and more than 84,000 followers on Telegram. Just like is the case for its more prominent and more established cousins, the founders of this particular dog coin are unknown. That is somewhat of a common occurrence for meme coins, and investors are well advised due to due diligence with little-known coins to avoid falling victim to malicious practices like rug pulls and exit scams. With that said, ELON has been on the market for several months, making the likelihood of the coin being a scam relatively small. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about DOGELON. This week on Crypto Twitter. Elon Musk's diamond hands, Tom Brady responds to Vitalik. As spring arrives in the northern hemisphere and temperatures warm, so too did crypto markets, with most leading cryptocurrencies up from last Sunday after a stagnant winter. But garnering even more attention. Elon being Elon. On Monday, Tesla and SpaceX CEO asked his followers for thoughts about probable inflation rate over next few years, and was inundated with replies, some serious, some just shilling Musk's favorite meme coin, Doge, including a tweet from MicroStrategy CEO, and Bitcoin hodling maxi Michael Saylor. Saylor tweeted, in part, United States dollars consumer inflation will continue near all-time highs, and asset inflation will run at double the rate of consumer inflation. Musk replied 12 minutes later, it is not entirely unpredictable that you would reach that conclusion, adding shortly thereafter, as a general principle, for those looking for advice from this thread, it is generally better to own physical things like a home, or stock in companies you think make good products, than dollars when inflation is high. I still own, and won't sell my Bitcoin, Ethereum, MEPs, and oppose the move. At the last possible moment, certain parties offered amendments to microregulation on markets and cryptosats that would ban proof-of-work consensus protocols, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other popular blockchains and cryptosats in Europe, issuing an ultimatum to the rest of Parliament. Accept our Bitcoin ban or we will oppose the entire MiCA package, one of the main players in the crypto industry said. Ethereum, the second largest cryptosat by market capitalization, aims to move to the proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, which does not require energy-intensive mining, but critics argue it's more centralized and less secure. The European Parliament Committee on Economic and Monetary Affairs, ECON, will vote on MiCA on Monday, March 14. However, according to Patrick Hansen, head of strategy and growth at Unstoppable Finance, a developer of a DeFi wallet, the MEPs will vote on two suggestions and one of them doesn't plan a ban. There seems to be a very thin majority against the ban right now, but to be determined, Hansen said. As reported, crypto for besieged Ukraine, the Unchained Fund has raised $1.8 million in plans to launch a DAO this week, even as team members live with sirens, explosions and artillery barrage following the Russian invasion. After Russia invaded Ukraine, Andriy Veliky would look out his window at night and count the lights in the windows of nearby buildings. Around 90% of them stayed black. The cryptocurrency entrepreneur's apartment building faced Kyiv's Maidan Square. Normally full of people, it's empty and silent now, except for the sirens blaring from time to time. Some of his friends chose to leave the city when they could. Others are now fighting the invading Russian forces on the front lines. I chose to stay somewhere in between. I'll stay here in my apartment and protect my family here. Veliky, a member of a local community, raised money to help Doctors Without Borders treat victims of Ebola by one day. No contact MSF dog coin game fundraising event. Meme value. A meme coin is generally defined as a coin with no intrinsic utility, but whose value is based on a passionate community of followers. They have low values, with most available for a few cents, and huge or unlimited supplies. There are now thousands of meme coins, but Dogecoin is notable as the one that started it all. The coin was founded on Deck.6, 2013 by Jackson Palmer and Billy Marcus. Both of them are software engineers. Created to satirize BTC, but became the second most popular cryptocurrency after BTC in terms of users. Since then, other meme coins have also seen huge growth, namely Shiba Inu, DOGELON, and Floki Inu. Reflections on meme token Dogecoin has been a success, but the huge volatility influenced by celebrities means high risk. Of course, meme tokens are easy to launch, not expensive to maintain, and have a large degree of community ownership. But that doesn't. DOGELON is currently worth $0.0000076 United States dollars at $421,924,430, making it 126 on the most valuable coin list. Is ELON a good investment? How much will DOGELON cost in 2025, or how much will DOGELON cost 10 years from now? The results of only observations for 2022, and this is what experts predict for this year. By 2022, ELON appears to have reached price levels similar to their all-time high. By 2022, we expect the average rate to be $0.00000092. If all goes smoothly, we predict that the DOGELON market price could increase to $0.00000105 in 2022. But the next year will be more interesting for investment. In 2023, with higher consumption and partnership between important ranges, the price of DOGELON will skyrocket. The maximum trading price will reach $0.00000158 in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy if we keep them. If all goes well, we expect an average price of $0.00000132, with an expected price of $0.00000158 for 2023. If you are planning to invest for the long term, here is the forecast for 2024. ELON is discovered by potential. As signs and innovations are found, an increase in the number of users and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investment in DOGELON, the price could be higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of $0.00000221. ELON is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of $0.00000192, a low price of $0.00000186, and an expected price of $0.00000221. Course forecast 2025 ELON will be seen as the best option, and with the spread of the DOGELON community, Mars is finding new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2025, the DOGELON price will be almost $0.00000271. The maximum bet we can get is $0.00000326. DOGELON average price forecast for the end of 2025 could be around $0.00000278. A large price turnover is expected in the turnover observed in the cryptocurrency market. DOGELON course prediction 2026 volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today, forecasting and implementation at current prices is expected. Many cryptanalysts are at play in this regard. Price predictions are correct for recovery years. Cryptocurrency consumers still ban and restrict cryptocurrencies. DOGELON could cross $0.00000464 if the market sees a good normal run in 2026. ELON rate prediction 2027 DOGELON will increase the load on the network and interaction with people. Therefore, the settlement price for 2027 is bullish. According to analysts, ELON is expected to trigger a $0.00000709 rate hike by the end of 2027. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of DOGELON will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of ELON will be between $0.00000600 and $0.00000617 expected in 2027 depending on the market.